Hello and welcome to another episode of What's Inside. Today we're looking at a raw deal starter deck for the Divas Overload series. This one is Stacy Keibler, and we're going to see what's inside here. So let's get right to it. This is a 61 card starter deck, and if I can figure out how to open this, we're going to see them all. There we go. Alright, the deck is sealed inside the box, which is cool. There's our rule book. There's our cards. Alright, the rule book is official rules, Divas Overload, some images, her in a bikini, and random card placement, explanation of what the cards do. Usual sort of thing you expect out of a rule book. If you've played WWE Raw Deal, it's going to play pretty well the same as I recall. This rulebook's about 50 pages long, and there is a checklist in the back. So, yeah. This is the Divas Overload checklist. So let's just put that right there for a minute, and let's get into the cards. See if I can get the cards out of the cellophane without damaging anything. And the gold stripe doesn't like to work on these because it just doesn't. There we go. Alright. Let's see what we've got here. We've got a German suplex, a backslide, a shoot punch, another shoot punch, a flying body press, garbage can lid, always a bonus, a shoot headlock, another shoot headlock, a rolling suplex, a spinning clothesline, another spinning clothesline, a cut red-handed, hold the phone, then we've got just bring it, that's a rock, elbow to the face, another elbow to the face, reach for the ropes, then we've got a proper conditioning pre-match event, another pre-match event, Velocity. Then we've got a Fan Appreciation Day mid-match action. Then we've got Roll Out of the Way. We've got He's Crazy as a Pet Raccoon. Then we've got a I'm Sorry But You're Boring Me. Next we've got a double underhook backbreaker. Then we've got a double underhook backbreaker. Then we've got a nerve hold. Next we have a girly punch and a capture suplex, a fallaway suplex, another fallaway suplex, a modified clutch onto opponent. Next we've got a split finger lock. Then another split finger lock. And then we've got a charismatic style. And a recover again. Next we've got a Some Gals Don't Get Any Action. And an escape move. Another escape move. A break the hold. Clumsy opponent. Another clumsy opponent. Oversell maneuver. Another oversell maneuver. A ring psychology neck pre-match event. Another pre-match event. I'm always on top. And then a mid-match reversal. Took that one on the chin. Then we've got a mid-match action teaser mode. Another mid-match action, Desire. A mid-match reversal, Fortitude Surge. Then we've got a neck breaker. Another neck breaker. A gut wrench. Another gut wrench. A step aside. Another step aside. Then we've got a diversion. A 360-degree clothesline. Oh, we got a foil. I don't know how to use them. That's pretty fancy. Oh, got another foil here. We've got a Pump Me Up reversal special. Not sure how well that's showing up in the lighting. Then we've got a foil enforcer card. Testor Freakzilla. And lastly, we have the Stacy Keibler card, which is also foiled. So that's pretty nice. There's 4 foily cards. And as we know, I love foils. So that's what's inside the Raw Deal Stacy Keibler Divas Overload deck for Raw Deal. And of course this is WWE, and it's a wrestling simulation game, so it looks like it's pretty good. I'm not real sure. I only played this once or twice, and I never played the Divas, but I heard they had some good cards. So that's the Stacy Keibler deck. We'll get into some of the others next time. In the meantime, that'll do it for this one, because we've seen what's in the box. And thank you for watching, and we hope to see you next time on What's Inside.